Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's Michaela Rochelle, and in today's video we are doing a little, I was gonna say get ready with me, but it's not a get ready with me. We're just gonna do my hair together. So we're gonna go from this little egghead shape, form, whatever you want to call it, to this beautiful install. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is the finished look, but here's the length. Very flowy, and it's very soft too. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the